relief you're looking for was available to you today? Every day without a result is a lost chance to change what's been bothering you for years, penalizing your daily life. Even more so when you just want to sit on a sofa or wanting to run to bed, making excuses for not doing what needs to be done. What would be the point of life without energy? No mood for important tasks. Always sick with immunity below par. Anxiety attacks plague your life, hindering you in several areas important as your work, for example, your relationship in general, with people close to you, and even to make new friends, looking for results in recipes that don't work, synthetic and aggressive drugs. It's time to put a stop to all this. You will need to click on the Learn More button to know the power of super extracts is with simple, easily accessible ingredients, no time-consuming work from home, with preventions of greater pain in the future. And did you know that within this content, I'll show you a plant compound that helps protect cells, which stimulate detoxifying enzymes that can lead to cancer. Global observation and analysis of the Power Super Extracts. Your idea is to offer nutrition that helps to protect the body's health.